Hey guys, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. You see here in the background, I am back in Larnaca. So, I am back in Larnaca. It's my first video in the new year, 2023. So, a very late Happy New Year. And yeah, more videos are coming now, maybe every 2 days, because I'm going for a new challenge every month. The new challenge will be, I decided to create Etsy store with some crypto t-shirts, with some crypto merch. I have made this like 2 years ago with a friend, but now I will try it again. I have also my own online shop on my Chain Explained homepage, but I want to try now Etsy, and I watched a lot of videos in the last couple of months about how to sell products on Etsy, maybe how also I can use ChatGPT, Midjourney, whatever, to create a serious, successful Etsy business. And yeah, what do you think? I will create their own list, their own challenge now every month, and Etsy will be my first challenge this year. I arrived here in Larnaca and it was very nice, like 22 degrees in January, but after 2-3 days it was like, wow, so cold, 10 degrees, rainy weather, windy weather. But now it seems it gets better again, and yes, I will go home afterwards and then I take you on my journey how to set up an Etsy business. So let's see how it will work. And of course, this beautiful beach walk here in Larnaca, it's also good to spend some time here, loading up the energy, listening to the sea. And of course, it's the first day again with sunny weather. The most important thing to know when you want to create an Etsy business is, of course, what do you want to sell? I mean, how can you decide it? It's always good if you are very interested in something. Like me, I'm very interested in crypto. I'm very interested in crypto merch. So my whole community is in the crypto space. So for me, definitely, this is a niche where I will enter. But there is a big but. Usually most of the people are creating crypto shirts, whatever, what they will buy on their own. So I mean, the most important thing is to create products for the customers and not for yourself. So you have to go on Etsy and you have to check on Etsy, okay, where is a trend, where is no trend. Okay, I want to sell some Etsy mock-ups for some t-shirts, or do I want to create like different kind of handmade stuff like jewelry, whatever, or do I want to sell some digital planners, organizers, whatever. There are tons of ways to create value on Etsy and to sell it. I started with my niche on crypto, with crypto t-shirts, but for me, I checked out that on Etsy there are like more than 80% of Etsy customers are women. So of course there are also people in crypto which are women, but most of them are men. So maybe this is not so good for Etsy, but what you can do, you can go through Etsy SEO and you can also create your blog, whatever. But I mean, I explain you now the 4 best ways in the beginning how to start Etsy and how you find your niche. But I will tell it you when I'm back home. I'm on the way home, but this evening mood here is pretty cool. Very nice vibe. So I'm here now. We are at the end of the beach walk here between Winnie and Mackenzie, and now we're going to this fish restaurant there, and you can see here the sun is going down. Yeah, the fisher boats are going out here. So finally, a few hours it's dark again. So hey guys, we are back. I'm back from my walk, and now, as I told you, I'm going to show you 4 simple steps how to get used to Etsy. And the first thing is, we are here now. You know, I'm a very Bitcoin freak, so we have here different kind of Bitcoin shirts. And what we're going through now is we are searching again for Bitcoin shirt. This is my first thing I will show you. I'm usually here in the first 3 rows. There are like t-shirts which have like ad bands, but because I'm using Brave browser, I don't see them. And what is very important, you can check out here, this Elon Musk t-shirt has already 621 sales. And this t-shirt has 5,600 sales. So what I'm always doing when I want to list a product, a new product, then I will go on the Etsy search box and I'm searching now, for example, for a Bitcoin t-shirt. And I have seen, okay, here, wow, this t-shirt has a price of $23, 24 almost. And then I will check the t-shirt description. And you can use the similar one. You can use Bitcoin shirt, funny Bitcoin t-shirt. These are all things you can also write in your listing headline, because then maybe you rank better. I mean, also you can go here, you combine it. You have here this kind of description keywords on the Elon Musk t-shirt. If you have a similar one to that, just combine 3, 4 very huge selling t-shirts on Etsy and using this kind of keywords in your t-shirt description or whatever. You can do it with anything. That's the first thing I want to show you. The second one is, if you're going, for example, on my shop. I mean, my shop is now online since 2 weeks, and I didn't find time to really promote it, but I will think in the next future, I'm very going to put there some sales on it. But the second thing I want to tell you is, we have here a Valentine shirt. So keep in mind that there are always special events during a year, like Easter, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and you should put on Etsy your products like 1 or 2 months before for these special festivals, because then your t-shirt, for example, will promote, will going through the algorithm, and it will be better ranked on Etsy. And you know, in almost 20 days there is Valentine's Day, and I thought about, okay, let's create a very nice t-shirt. So this one you can see here, I created Bitcoin is my Valentine, and it's always very nice when you talking about this mockup. Mockups is the third thing I want to show with you. I want to show you. I mean, you can create your own mockup because this one I created on my own through Canva. I will put all the links down there in the description. And the second thing is, if you do these mockups, you can also buy mockups on Etsy. If you put in mockup t-shirt bundle. And I always using this Bella. Let me check again. Mockup t-shirt Bella canvas. So this is this t-shirt, especially what I'm always using. And there you can see this design looks pretty cool. This also. And there you can buy like for $3, you can buy some mockups, because it's like when you go into a mall and you see a very nice picture here or whatever, then you will enter the shop. And the only visual thing you have on Etsy is your mockup. So please keep in mind that your mockup is almost the most important thing next to the keywords in your description. So this is the third point. And the fourth point is like you can see here, because now I'm on this page, you should always put in a size chart. So maybe you buy some on Etsy or you create your own size chart. So I'm always using this Bella canvas, this Bella canvas t-shirt, so I can always put in a similar size chart to that. I mean, if we can check it on my shop, if you go on the Lewis, then we take, for example, this t-shirt again. And you see here, I have my own size chart here. And I mean, this is the fourth point, but now we will go there. Also in the next videos, I will talk more about Etsy, and I will show you also how I will go through this journey with Etsy. When I do my first sale, I will do now like a 30-day challenge, and let's see if we get any sales in the first 30 days. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next days with the next Etsy video. Thanks for everything. With orange love, the Louis. Bye bye.